Greetings faculty, and welcome to another WIS technology tutorial. In today's topic I'll be covering Google Drive. Now yesterday Google made a significant announcement in terms of cloud storage. Now what this means is you can now have offline access to your Google Docs as well as any other files that you have uploaded into your Google Docs that are even non-Google Docs. Now let me show you how this works. Previously, when you look along the top, you used to have mail, calendar, documents, sites, video, so on and so forth. Well, I've already installed Google Drive and has actually converted my document folder into my drive. Okay, if you would like to download Google Drive, on your Documents page, there is a link to download the Google Drive on the left-hand side. You can click that. And of course you're going to have to agree to the terms and service. I've already done this, so I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this. And then you get to this page about some of the highlighted features of Google Drive. So one nice thing is you get 5 gigabytes of free space, and in a minute I'm going to show you how you can upgrade for a very minimal amount of money to a much larger storage if needed. So what this does is, if you're familiar with Dropbox, it adds an application or a folder onto your computer that syncs continuously with your Google Drive. So let's just go ahead and bring this up. Here's the icon, and I can notice right now that I'm hardly using anything of it. I haven't really decided what I want to put in here just yet. But I have 5 gigabytes of available space, and if I want to buy more I can click right here and it's going to bring me to the pricing options for adding more storage. So very quickly we can see for about $2.50 you can get 25 gigabytes of storage. That's $2.50 per month roughly, so which is a significant amount of increase over Dropbox. But that's not to say that there are things that I feel like are still missing from Google Drive that I really appreciate in Dropbox, and I'm going to talk about those here in a minute as well. So I've installed Google Drive. I have a folder which I can also get to through here. Open the Google Drive folder, and these are essentially all of the collections and documents that I have in my Google Docs. From the preferences, I can actually opt to have my Google Doc files synced as well. I chose not to because I have so many of them, and that the only time I really use them is when I'm online. So I just merely synced all of my collection folders and my non-Google Doc documents. But had I wanted to view my Google Docs offline, I would have checked here and clicked Apply Changes, and then they would have started syncing to this drive as well. So now on to some features that I wish were in the Google Drive right now. Let me just step over here to Dropbox briefly. Now in Dropbox, what's really nice is you have the option to share any folder by right-clicking on it. So if I wanted to share this miscellaneous folder here, I could say Dropbox, share this folder, and then I could add the users I'd like to share it with. That is currently not possible from Google Drive, at least to my knowledge. So if I wanted to share this one, I don't really see an option to share this file. Now it doesn't mean that you can't share files in Google Drive. There is kind of a little bit clumsy way. If I wanted to share files, the first thing I'd have to do is move any file that's shared with me into my drive. So here are some instructions. Drag files or folders shared with you to my drive for easy access. So which it it could be useful, but it just seems strange to put the work in your hands to actually force syncing with documents that are shared with you. So I think Dropbox does that a little bit better. And the other nice feature of Dropbox, which is not present in Google Drive, is a public link option, which is kind of nice. So for example, in Dropbox, I can put any folder I want to just quickly share with someone that's a non-Google Doc. I can actually just put it in this public folder in Dropbox, and I can go ahead and click on the Dropbox link here, or just hover over it, and then I can see copy public link, and then I can put that into an email and send it to someone, and they can download files that are often too large to include as attachments into email. So, and again, for Google Docs, you would just basically make the document public and then share the link that way as well. So, but for non-Google Docs, it seems a little bit less intuitive working from within the Google Drive. So it's obviously very easy to do this from the Google Drive application, but from within your own computer, it's not as intuitive sharing files. Okay, so that's about it. In all honesty, it's just really nice having another 5 gigabytes of cloud storage to back up your files. You don't have to be as dependent on storage solutions provided by the school, and I think it's actually, in your interest and in my own interest to be kind of aware and in control of where my files live at any given time. So I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I look forward to hearing about your experiences with Google Drive.